Hello and welcome to this session. This is Sumit Kumar Chaube, and today we are going to discuss about matrices. So, what is matrices? First of all, according to English grammar, it's plural form of the term matrix. The term matrix you may be more familiar with because of the movie called Matrix, which was released in 1999, and it's a super cool movie. There are lots of effect here, and you will be surprised to know that all this movie was actually created in four-bedroom set. It was basically created in a big hall, nothing more, and all the effects were added on later using artificial computer vision. The basic building block of computer vision is matrix. Very important to learn this concept. Not because it's asked in board examination, it's asked in various competitive examination like IITG and Jharkhand combined and Maharashtra CT, but it is also finds its application in many modern things. It finds its application starting from computer vision to finance to you can say it's virtually finds its application in everything. It's the super important topic as far as the modern mathematics is concerned, but let's focus for now on the term matrix itself. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, nothing else. So matrix is as simple as a rectangular arrangement of numbers. So see, it's very simple, it's nothing else. Notation wise, it is denoted by a capital letter of English alphabet, that may be A, B, C and X. So we are going to represent our first matrix using the first alphabet of English, A. So A is a matrix and it is denoted like this under a square bracket, and then there is going to be a rectangular arrangement of number. Let's say here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is what our matrix is. It is basically a rectangular arrangement of numbers. As you can see here in this particular example, that we have the rectangular arrangement of numbers as row wise and column wise. So this horizontal line is called row and this vertical line is called column. So this is our column 1, this is our column 2, this is our column 3, this is our row 1 and this is our row 2. Is that clear? So in this particular example, we find out that we have two row, this one and this one. We have three columns, this one and this one. Okay, and their order does matter. Okay, so for example, if we have some another matrix, let's say B, and B is denoted like this, it has the same number as that of A but in a different order. Let's say 1, 3, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Then B is not equal to A, though they have the same numbers. These numbers are called the element of matrix. For example, this 2 here will be called element of matrix B. Is that clear? Now matrix, there is one more thing in the notation, that matrix is basically represented with its order. So order will be written here. So order of the matrix, let me write it down here. Order of a matrix. So matrix order is equal to basically number of row times number of column. So how many rows are here in this particular in matrix A? There are two rows. So the order of matrix will be written like this. This is a 2 times 3 matrix, or 2 by 3 matrix we say. So A is a 2 by 3 matrix. It is also written here sometimes 2 by 3 matrix, but in most of the calculation you will find out that we generally skip this order because it is quite visible here that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. But if someone asks you what is the order of this matrix A, then you will say that it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Just remember RC, number of row times column. Is that clear? R times C. Let me show you some other matrices. Let's have a matrix C. Now C is a matrix like this. It has 1, 5, 3, 4, 6, 9. Now, what is the order of this matrix? You are again going to count the number of rows and number of columns. So how many rows are here in this matrix? There are 3 rows here in this matrix. So the very first row is this, second row is this, and third row is this. So we have 3 rows and 2 columns. This one here and this one here. So 3 times 2. Is that clear? So this is all about the matrix and its order. In the next class we are going to learn how to equate matrix, in under what condition two matrices are equal. We are going to see how to add matrix, how to subtract matrix, how to multiply matrix. There is no matrix division, but we will say an equivalent operations on the matrix in the coming lectures. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a great day.